we're gonna look at RVs. Bubby just went to the bathroom. Look at her face.
Did you get lost? No.
Did you get lost, Bubby?
For a second.
I was looking at it. It looked, for some reason, it looked like it was thinner, but I don't know if it was just my eye messing tricks on me.
It's the way it's designed.
Yeah.
It's smaller, I'm pretty sure it's the same. Where do you live at Morgantown?
Up on mile ground.
Okay.
This one.
Hmm?
Four Winds 22B. Let me check the designations. Oh.
Oh, go ahead.
Alright.
I'm just trying to get him going up there.
Can I stand on the seats for help?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, Jasper done cleaned his spot. Watch out, sissy. The mommy out.
Oh, there's a spot for the cat up here.
Oh, there you go. He'll sleep up there in his little box. Right by your head.
Yeah, I'm fine up here. I like it up here. That's not. I can sleep up here.
I don't know. There ain't much room for you to... You move a lot when you sleep.
There's a kitty bed right here. Yeah.
There's a kitty bed.
No, there's literally some for the kitty right here. Come here. I'll come. There's also some.
Oh, yeah, there's a little space for him. Yeah, he'd have to go over there then.
His water
Like, I'm
bowl
sure they got
and his food bowl and these cup
adapters you
holders.
can put for sleep up there from.
So
Yeah, you'd probably have to so you wouldn't get stepped on.
Yeah.
I like it up here. This is nice. I like it.
Yeah, I like it more with air conditioning.
George!
Right there. It's just, yeah, it's right
Oh,
above
here's
it.
the.
What's up?
Turn the lights on and stuff. There you
I'm sleeping here with you, Mom.
Oh, you gonna sleep with me, baby? Good.
I'm gonna be with Dada.
go.
Dada's not gonna sleep that far. No, Dada's gonna be driving.
Yep. Diet driving this thing, not me.
I can. Oh,
Even if I wanted to, honestly, dear, I know you wouldn't even trust me to drive this thing.
I can do this.
So I don't have to really worry about it.
Oh,
Look, baby.
I can stand right here. That's my secret hiding spot.
Look at that!
It's cool.
I like it up here.
We've already established that, Jasper.
This is my spot.
We already established that, and that's your future dream spot.
Your lights there.
We're just dreaming and fantasizing. We're trying to manifest here.
That's what
And I have
this
the
is.
perfect
So
way I
it's still
can get
available.
down.
It's a
I
24.
can get down easily.
Pre-owned.
Mine.
Pre-owned should be cheaper then, right?
Yeah, it's 75.
Especially with a car payment.
Guessing this is the refrigerator door handle.
It's 75 instead of 85.
No, it's right here.
Yeah.
If I
And
want
then
to,
because you
I
like
can
spooky stuff.
So we're here at Olive Garden. About to go in and eat. Bubby had to call his dad real quick. Talk to him before we went in. Sissy. Sissy eating a good salad. 'Cause my baby healthy. Daddy got a salad. And then I'll show you our meals once we get them. Now remember, you don't want to be backed up for a month, Jasper. Look at all this cheese. I saw you. You want cheese? No, your spaghetti? No? All right, no. Thanks. Yeah. Your game over. Look at your little spaghetti. Anything else I can have you guys? I don't think so. Perfect. Look at your little spaghetti. Mommy should have got you a bigger one, huh? I didn't know it was gonna be that little. exercise, Bubby. Hit hard, Bubby. This is so funny. Oh, come on, Bubba.
There she is.
Did he? Oh, I think I'm getting bit by a buggy. Oh, there we go.
Night whatever.
I'll just use my flash on video and then I can see y'all.
Oh. That's like perfect lighting. That's like the sun.
Well, I wouldn't say the sun, Jasper.
She's Jasper. First grade, and I'm going to middle school. Okay. 5 minutes.
All right, I'll walk down with you.
Come on, you come too. What if a snake gets me? Mom, I'll make sure.
Nah.
Where's my phone?
What do you mean you'll make sure? Chris probably took your phone. I don't have it.
Where's my phone?
Chris probably has it. Ask him if he has it. It's on this side. No, it's over here. What?
Us. There's an entrance way somewhere.
Huh? Yeah, it's down there. There, you were saying it was right there. No, you wasn't. Yeah, it's just a little walkway.
Somebody lost the stop. Watch out for the poisonous thing. Only get your feet wet.
Yeah, they got big rocks you can sit on. We're just having nighttime fun.
Yeah, you just touched poisonous.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Here.
See? There you go. See, we can sit right here or on the rocks.
And over there, there's fishes.
See?
Kill that. I can get it. It is great.
To
No, the clown here.
Mine's a
Now
character.
we're saying no.
Your shoes are wet. You'll fall. Oh, I guess we.
Is that getting added to the collection?
Yeah.
Summer, it started. So,